let's explore the 6th through 8th grade student experience with LIFEPAC by AOP. Each school day, your child will engage in lessons from their LIFEPAC student books, and throughout the week, you will use the teacher's guide to grade their work and provide support with their lessons. Go beyond core subjects and explore diverse interests with LIFEPAC's one-semester and full-year electives. During middle school, students are rapidly gaining independence. We encourage parents to partner with their students in managing their schedules and setting up agreed-upon deadlines. This will aid in strengthening their time management and critical thinking skills. Additionally, exploring block scheduling or other routines that align with your students' peak performance times can be beneficial. As attention spans develop, LIFEPAC lessons incorporate more content. Student lessons should average 30 to 45 minutes per subject block. Full-year courses consist of 10 work texts, while single-semester courses comprise of 5 work texts. Completing each work text gives students a sense of accomplishment and tangible proof of their hard work and success, which renews their motivation throughout the course. LIFEPAC serves as a complete school year in a box, offering a simple tracking system designed for homeschool families. Is LIFEPAC right for your 6th through 8th grade student? Explore LIFEPAC to start your child's learning journey today.